Would you like to operate the Audi spoiler and or the rear window power sunshade, but you are not sure how to do so? No worries, just watch this video and I will show you in a simple step how to operate the spoiler of your Audi and how to operate the rear window power sunshade. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Start the ignition of your Audi. To operate the rear window power sunshade, to provide shade and privacy for rear passengers for example, you will only need to click on this button, which is most often located on the center console. You will see that the rear window power sunshade will automatically extend itself. To retract the rear window power sunshade, simply press the button again and the sunshade will smoothly retract back into its housing. To deploy the spoiler for enhanced aerodynamics and stability at higher speeds or a better look, you will simply need to press the spoiler control button located on the center console. The spoiler will automatically extend itself. To retract the spoiler, press the same button again until the red light is switched off. The spoiler will smoothly retract back into its resting position. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.